Mary had a little lamb, soft as falling snow. Everywhere that Mary went, he was sure to go. Little feet, pitter on the ground. Mary laughed and held him close, spinning round and round. Little lamb, follow close to me. Little lamb, happy as can be. Little lamb, skip along and sing. Mary and her little lamb, best friends in the spring. Best friends! At the schoolhouse by the door, he stood nice and neat. Tiny nose and fluffy ears, tap, tap, little feet. Little feet, pitter on the floor. All the kids would smile at him, wanting one smile more.